Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error when your iPhone keeps lagging after you update to iOS 14. So, how you can fix it? So, first way you need to try just restart your phone, so just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find general, and in the general just scroll down to shutdown, so just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. So this is the first way. Second way you can also try is just go back and just open general, and here you will see iPhone storage, so just open iPhone storage and just make sure if you have at least 2 gigabytes of free memory, because sometimes if your storage is full, your phone can't works good, because it hasn't enough memory for good working, and that's why your phone needs more memory, free memory. So just find here what memory, what type of information takes a lot of your memory, and just remove some unnecessary files or apps you don't use. So just find them and just delete. So also you can try to find updates, so just go to the general and just open software update, just wait until it will check for updates, and just download and install the latest software that is available for your phone. And if it doesn't help you, you can also try Made Force Restart on your phone, so just keep holding low volume and power button until you will see here Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, just release 2 fingers from these 2 buttons, and it means that you successfully made Force Restart. So just try this way. And if it doesn't help you too, you can also just go to the general, and in the general just find reset and just try to reset all the settings. So I hope that one of these methods will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.